Hello everyone, welcome. This is Jeanette and this is the Crafty Hobbit channel. New in the shop for today's video is this Shabby Chic Tea storage box. This decorative wood box has a shabby chic style with a vintage Paris theme. You'll find vintage letter, handwriting script all the way around, perhaps from that beautiful lady on the cover over a lovely cup of tea. Either way you go, it has unlimited uses and it's going to look fantastic in your home. It has classic distressed styling, shabby style bow, and a beautiful vintage styled decorative ensemble underneath the lid inside to make it super unique. It can be used to tuck away your tea bags for storage, or you can use it on your vanity for some makeup brushes and other odds and ends, maybe on your dresser to keep your cell phone and keys, or next to your bedside for reading glasses. This box is wood. It measures 8.5 by 6 by 3 inches and weighs approximately 1 pound. My items are handcrafted, hand-finished, one-of-a-kind and unique, and if you find that you really like this box, you can grab it now by scanning the QR code right here in the video or using the first link in the video description below. Or if you'd like to shop traditional shopping cart checkout, you can use the second link in the video description to take you over to the Crafty Hobbit shop. Whether you use the QR instant purchase code or you shop at my web store, either way you go, you always received insured shipping to your doorstep. Now, if you'd like to see more items that are new in this shop right away, subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell. That's all for this one. Thank you for stopping by and we'll see you on the next one.